This is our new Shark Rocket corded bagless vacuum that we'll assemble today. We have a large dust cup. What I like is that you can see through the dust cup so you can see when it's time to empty it. This is the power cord, which looks to be long enough to get through one large room. We also have a quick start guide with pictures. The hose is just over 1 meter long, and then there are 4 attachments. We'll go ahead and start assembling this vacuum starting with the power cord so we can stretch it out and plug it into the power outlet. Then we take the hose and we attach the hose to the handle that has the dust cup attached to it. Make sure you line up the 3 pins to the holes on the handle. If you have attached it correctly, you should hear a clicking sound once the 2 pieces are attached together. Then at the other end of the hose is where the attachments go. And if you want to swap out the attachments, you just need to press the orange button down and pull the attachment from the hose. Now, if you want to use the vacuum as a handheld vacuum, you can insert an attachment to it instead of using the long hose. This one here is the crevice tool attachment. And here's the dusting brush. And this one is the upholstery brush. As you can see, all the attachments are inserted and detached the same way. To operate the vacuum, there is a switch at the top of the handle right by the dust cup.